Okay students, the next experiment is interfacing hex keypad and LCD to the ARM processor. So here on the board you can notice there is a hex keypad. This is your hex keypad basically, and this is the LCD screen. So we will be assigning key codes to this hex keypad. So now since it is a hex keypad, we name the hex codes here 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and it goes up to F. So after 9, A, B, C, D, E and F. So the same key code will be displayed here on the LCD. So this is the experiment. So to do that experiment, so I have all the files which are ready here. So there are two LCD files which are mentioned. One is a C file and the other one is a header file. It is a H file. So the one thing that you have to notice here is, apart from your main program, the actual LCD program what you write to interface your hex keypad and the LCD, you are also supposed to add these two files as well. So one is the .c LCD file and .h LCD file. So in this .c and .h LCD file, it actually includes the commands of LCD, and some of the functions of the LCDs has been tried to be emulated using these files here. So that is the reason why we are supposed to add both .c and .h LCD, and this will be provided as a part of your experiment, and you are supposed to add these two. So I'll just try adding all the three simultaneously to my main program here. So these two files are by default present. They have to be added as a part of any program, and the remaining program here, that is your main program, you'll just click on it. Just try clicking on this main program. You can find here, this is how it is actually, how the columns are defined and rows are defined. So 0, 1, 2, 3, the hex keypad arrangement. So here we are, for every column and every row we have assigned the pins. So I'll be explaining, as I told you, I'll be explaining the program in my later sessions. So this is my actual program, and you can find the .c where the functionalities of your hex key is mentioned. So command write and so on, it is mentioned. And similarly, if you look into H file, it mentions all of the commands of LCD. So all LCD commands are there present in H file. So now the next job is to build the target. So just click on build. So once you say build, as I told you, you can see here the hex file is generated. So once the hex file is generated, we have to make use of FlashMagick software. The FlashMagick tool is used to dump the code, right? So this is the basic setup as I told you. So the program is already selected by default. I'll say start, and the program is getting copied. It has been downloaded onto the ARM processor. Okay, it is finished now. So I can see on the LCD display, you can see that the message is displayed as press hex keys and the key pressed is equal to. It is yet to be displayed. I haven't pressed any key. So this is my first key. Just see, I'll press it and just notice the change there. So key pressed is equal to 0. I'll press the next key. Key pressed is equal to 1. Similarly, you can see that I'll press the next key. Key pressed is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, and the last key F. So these key codes are displayed. This is the actual result of this experiment.